What causes Roblox 403 problem? Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve this problem. You can simply play Roblox on your phone as well by going on the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Roblox right there and install and play it just how you always do. But if there occurs a problem on your Roblox, then how will you solve it? I will show you how you can solve this problem right here by following the following steps. What causes Roblox 403 problem? So the problems might be problems with your internet connection, interference from your VPN or antivirus, the Roblox app or cache is corrupted, or the Roblox server is down. And the solutions can be: check if the Roblox is down on down detector. You can simply check it and you can restart your computer, restart your router and modem, turn off your VPN, turn off the antivirus, clear the Roblox cache and data, and then you can again reinstall your Roblox, and then you can log into your ID and see if it works or not. If it does not work, then the option that you are left with is to contact the Roblox support, and they will give you the feedback within few days, and this might solve your problem. So these are some solutions and steps how you can solve the causes of Roblox 403 problem. I hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.